Welcome to Kibbitz! Hi kids, I'm Emma. Welcome to Kibbitz! Today I'm reading a book from my favorite author, Mo Willems. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Let's start reading. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. It's a good book. Gerald! He's cartwheeling in. What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! That's a pretty big sneeze, don't you think? Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! She's doing a flip in the air. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. You're so worked up. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. So let me get this straight. There's so many ahs. Finally, this one tiny little chew? I mean, for such big ahs. Little tiny chew, I cannot stop. Achoo! Dr. Cat's like, what's wrong with him? Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Look at the cat's tail. It's all puffed up. That's what my cat sometimes does when he's really scared. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! That's what I call scared. Yeah, real scared. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? I am sick! Oh, thank you, doctor! I mean, if I were sick, I would never, ever be happy. Especially if it wasn't the summertime. I mean, summer, break off of school. Piggy! Great news! I have a cold! Good for you. Now Piggy caught it. Okay, quiz time! What was Gerald's problem? Was it A, he couldn't find his glasses, B, he had a cold, or C, his ice cream melted? If you guessed B, you're right! Congratulations, that was the right answer. Well, kids, that's all for this time on Kibbitz. Join me next time where I'll be reading another special book. Remember, knowing is growing, so keep reading. Bye!